Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the wiper pulse board in this 2002 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. It's a similar process in many GM models. And the tools you'll need are a flat blade screwdriver, 10mm and 13mm socket and ratchet, a T20 Torx bit, hammer, and some penetrating oil. First thing you want to do is just remove, there's 4 clips along this panel here. You just want to remove those using a flat blade screwdriver. You just pry off the top part. Okay, next you just want to remove, there's a side panel on either side of this larger panel. You just want to pry those up, and you can take the one on the driver's side off, the one on the passenger side, just pry it up and kind of move it out of the way. Okay, next what you want to do is just remove that little rubber cap there and disconnect the washer hose. And you want to use a 13mm socket and ratchet to just remove the nut right there. That way you can remove this wiper arm. Once you get that nut off, just kind of push the wiper blade in and out to loosen it and then pull it free. Now what you want to do is the exact same thing for the other wiper blade. So you just want to pry off that rubber cap, disconnect that washer hose, and then using your 13mm socket, again, just remove the nut on that. Sometimes, even when you push it in and pull it out, it's a little difficult to break it free. So you just want to use some penetrating oil around the bolt there and let it sit for a second. This will help loosen it up. And then you just go back to pushing it in and out, and it should just break free. Okay, so you just want to pry up that cowl cover, and you just want to prop it up with something. He uses a screwdriver just to help keep it up. And right there, you can see this is the wiper pulse board. This is what we're working on. Okay, so next what you want to do is just remove these 4 10mm bolts. And we'll just fast forward as he removes those. Okay, so next what you want to do is just remove that brace. And then underneath the wire harness there is a clip. You just want to push that in and pull the harness out. And then you want to remove these 3 T20 Torx screws. And we'll just fast forward as he does that. Okay, now you just want to pull that wiper board right up and off. Okay, and now for your new one, you just want to line up those 3 tabs and put them into place. Push that down into place. And then you just want to replace those 3 T20 Torx screws. Just reconnect that harness and then put that brace back in place and replace those 4 10mm bolts. Now what you want to do is just remove that screwdriver that's propping up that cowl panel, and then push that down into place. And then you want to put those two side panels back into place. Okay, you just want to replace those 4 clips. And then you want to reconnect your wiper arms. So just try to line them up, push them down onto the bolt, replace the nut, and then tighten that 13mm nut with a socket and ratchet, and replace the rubber cap and the washer hose. And then you want to do the same thing for the other side.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.